Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free backup tool you could use called Hasleo Backup Suite. So once you download and install it, simply open it up. Okay, and you can see here we have a backup from today, and it shows the results here, successful and no schedule. So there's several ways you could back up your system. So if you go to the backup section here, so you could do a system backup, which will make an image backup of your whole system into one file that you could restore later on if something goes wrong. You could also back up a single disk or a single partition to an image file, or you could back up individual files to an image file and then restore them as needed. And then here you have your restore options. So you could take a backup task that you have created and restore that backup task, or you could restore an image that you've created. And then they have some other tools here if you want to do a system clone, disk clone, or partition clone. We recently did a video on the system clone where we cloned the Windows disk to another disk and then booted to that new disk. So you might want to check that out if that's something you're interested in doing. Then here you have some extra tools. Alright, so going back to the backup, we're going to do the system backup and then we'll restore it afterwards. So if you click on system backup, you can pick your source disk, which it did for me automatically here. So here's the Windows disk, 70 gigs. Then I have a 100 gig disk here for backup. Then you could change the task name if you want. And then you could also change the description if you want. And then you could also pick a different destination. So right here's the one from before. And the system backup 54 is the name of the job I gave it here. So it names the folder based on the task name. So if I were to pick this folder here, or this drive I should say, then it will make the folder based on the task name. And then the description is pretty much just for you. Then you have some backup options here. You want to change the compression, the file splitting, if you want to encrypt it, run some commands, get some email notifications when it's done. And then there's some advanced options if you want to do sector by sector backups and that type of thing. Then there's a schedule you could run if you want to run a backup schedule. Then if you want to add some retention policies for full, incremental, and differential. Okay, so once you have everything set, just click on proceed. And then when it's completed, you could have it do nothing, check the image, and so on. And then shut down or reboot if you want to have it do that when the backup is complete. So I'm going to cancel this because I already have the backup. And let me show you that while it's canceling. See, there's the job it's trying to make, which is being canceled. So here's my backup here. Okay, so now let's make a new file here. Okay, so we know that's our file that was made after the backup was created. So now we're going to restore it. So you can either select a task to restore. So here's the one that we did here. There's the one that was canceled. Or you could browse to an image to restore. So it'll work the same way. So this will just show you your task. But if for some reason the task is missing from the list, or it was an older task that is gone from here, then you can just find the image file itself. So we'll do that here. Then we have our modes here. So this is a system image backup. So we're going to leave it on system. And like you saw before, there was a partition backup and file backup. So this is system mode. Click on next. Select the location you want to restore to. So this is the 70 gig C drive. So here's the backup drive right here, the 100 gigs. So we want to go with the C drive here, and it's already selected for us. And you can see the option here, restore to original location. And this shows you the target disk layout, which should be the same as the one you're restoring to. Okay, click on proceed. All data on the selected partition will be destroyed. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Alright, so now we get this pop-up here because obviously it can't restore the image while Windows is running. So we're going to have to reboot into this pre-OS mode.
Needs to create a WinPE image to continue, yes. So if you want to inject any other drivers, you could do that. All right, so now we're rebooting. Okay, so it's restoring the backup, so we'll pause the video and be back when this is complete. Okay, so the restore is complete. We'll click on Finish. Took 5 minutes. All right, we're rebooting into Windows. Okay, so our system has been restored. You can see that file we created after the backup is gone, telling you that this is the older version or the older image from the backup. So you can see it's pretty easy to use. And of course, it's not something you want to use for a regular file level backup. This is just something where you could create images in case something goes terribly wrong and you just need to restore the whole system rather than individual files. And of course, you could do the file level backup as well if you want to try that out. Okay, so I will put a link in the description where you could download the Hasleo backup suite and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.